Is Samsung trying to upstage Apple by folding this year? That's right. Find out why next. What's up, party people? Androidstud here, and it's time for Talking Tech Tuesday. That's right. It's where we talk tech, and all we do is talk tech. We got a lot of news, so let's get started. First up, Samsung, are they folding this year? That's right, and I'm talking about that foldable display that they've been talking about since, a long time. They've been talking about this display. But anyway, that Galaxy X or Galaxy F, whatever they want to call it, could be coming out this November. That's right, in like a couple months. Well, will it be a concept phone, or will it be something that consumers can actually grab, buy, and take a look at? Looks like Samsung may be trying to upstage Apple in the release of their trio of iPhones, but guess what? Apple, don't worry about it. You're trillionaires, you're gonna keep it moving. Everybody's gonna buy your stuff. Samsung, you're still second place when it comes to Apple because just the pure volume that they sell. Samsung, you still have some catching up to do. But this is great news that we actually could see this foldable display. Will it actually be the real deal, or will it be just a teaser that we get to check out and not actually get to buy until 2020 or even 19? Also, Samsung just unveiled its first 8K TV. That's right, I still don't have a 4K, so 8K seems like unbelievable, but you can actually buy this thing. It was announced recently by Samsung, so if you're interested in that, check out the link down below. 8K TV by Samsung, that's unbelievable. And can you believe this story? Someone left a Pixel 3 XL in the back of a Lyft. That's right, a Lyft. Kind of like Uber, but it's a Lyft. You get it. Yes, actually somebody supposedly left a Pixel 3 XL in the back of a Lyft driver's car. He apparently has a Pixel 2 XL, and he was able to realize, oh wow, this is not my Pixel 2 XL. This is a Pixel 3 XL. You know why he said this? Because he said that he noticed the ugly notch. I'm not buying this. I think this is just propaganda by Google or someone else. I don't know what's going on. We've seen this phone more than anything, and it'll be revealed kind of next month in October. And also, Google confirmed there'll be no Pixel Watch. That's right. If you were excited about this watch, or maybe were wondering if it was going to actually have a notch on the watch, well, looks like you're not going to get this Pixel Watch. Looks like they're going to concentrate on Android Wear, their OS for the watches for now, and maybe release this Pixel Watch a little later on. The Mi Mix 3 looks like it could be teasing 5G support on this device. Looks like a bezel-less display that's gonna have a pop-out camera and also a slide-down screen. So it's an interesting phone. It's a beautiful phone. The only thing I didn't like about the Mi Mix and the Mi Mix 2 and the Mi Mix 2S is that front-facing camera was awful. It was an awful position. It wasn't a very good shooter. So hopefully with this, they could have a better camera, because I do like the Mi Mix design. I like the original one the best. So hopefully this Mi Mix 3 can look real good with that slide up action and also that pop out camera. OnePlus may unveil the most anticipated OnePlus to date. The OnePlus 6T could be unveiled not in November, but actually in January. This is the one that's supposed to be coming to a major carrier, T-Mobile. Hopefully the price is priced right, and it's something exciting that we can get excited about on T-Mobile. I think this is a good thing. But it looks like we're not actually gonna get this until January. Still no word on the specs of this device, but they're saying maybe a pop-up camera, a water drop notch on the upcoming OnePlus 6T. The LG V40 could be coming out in October. That's right. The leaks have been out, but it looks like this thing could be dropping in October. So that means we could have another device dropping near Halloween or even earlier than that. It's gonna have that 6.4 OLED display, and it's gonna have the Snapdragon 845, the triple cameras on the back, dual on the front. So you're gonna have 5 cameras to take one picture. Go ahead. Make fun of me if you want, but it just seems funny. We get more and more cameras, and it seems like the pictures aren't getting more and more better. You remember the Razer Phone? That's right, Razer has confirmed the Razer Phone 2 is coming out. It's gonna have that Snapdragon 845 processor, obviously, with that 120 gigahertz display that everybody was buzzing about. Guess what? That Razer Phone was a great phone. I think it was a pure Android phone. I really enjoyed using it. I just didn't like the design of it so much because of the gigantic bezels, but it did have great speakers. So if they slim that up a little bit and make it look a little hotter, I think I may pick that up if the price is right, as always. Sony's new flagship, the XZ3, could be coming out in October, and it looks like it's gonna be their first display with an OLED display. This is great. So they're gonna be bringing over their technology from their TV, their Bravia line, an OLED panel, 6-inch display. It's gonna have that Snapdragon 845. Looks like this could be dropping also in October, so that's great news for everybody who's into the Sony line. It looks like it's gonna have a new loop design. They used to have that boxy design, but they went away with that with the XZ2. The XZ2 wasn't the greatest device, so hopefully this one can hit it out of the park. That's gonna do it for Talking Tech Tuesday. I'm Androidstud. If you wanna know what's going on in the world of tech, follow me on Twitter at Androidstud, also on Instagram, Facebook, and Google+. That's gonna do it. You guys let me know what you think about this hot news that's going on this week. And for now, I'll see you guys later.